Mathematicians, it is Monday for you. I don't know if you're watching this in the morning or in the afternoon, or if this is the first thing you've done today, or if this is the last thing you're doing, but I hope you've had a good morning so far. I hope you've had a good day, and we are going to take just a few minutes. This video is not going to take very long, but we're going to take a few minutes to learn about coins. So when I say coins, I mean money. Money can come in dollars, and money can also come in the shape of a coin. Most of them are metal when you see them at your house. I hope you have some coins that you can play with at home and sort at home. But if you do not have any coins, Ms. Strohmeyer has given everybody a bag. So you need to get your envelope out. You need to look for your little bag of coins, and you have one coin of each type. You have one coin of each type. You have a brown one, and then you have three that look this silver color. So I need you to get these coins out. And we're going to start talking about these coins today. We're going to talk about their names, and we're going to talk about a song that you can sing in order to help you remember what these coins are. And then you are going to sort some coins and work on some coin pages by yourself. So I need you ready to learn a new song or chant that you guys are going to do with me. So I want you to first find your penny. Your penny is your first coin that you see right here. I want you to find your penny, your brown penny, and I want you to put it in your finger. This is the easiest one for you to remember because this is the only coin that looks different. This coin is brown. And I'm going to give you the chant that goes with penny. Are you ready? Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. I want you to say that along with me while holding and looking at your penny. 1, 2, 3. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. This one right here is a penny. Now, the next one is your nickel. Now, make sure you have your nickel in your hand. Make sure you don't have any of the other ones. Make sure it looks exactly like the one that you see. And this one is called a nickel. This is called a nickel, and it's worth 5 cents. And here's the chant that goes with nickel. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents, I know that. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents, I know that. This is a nickel. You should be holding your nickel. And now I want you to find the smallest one, the next one right here that you see on Ms. Strohmeyer's screen. And this one is called a dime. And a dime is worth 10 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. And I want you to listen to Ms. Strohmeyer's chant. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. So make sure you're looking at that dime. Something that I want to go back to that you might notice about your nickel is that the nickel has very smooth edges. All of the other ones, all the other silver ones have rough edges, but this nickel has a smooth edge. All right, and the last one, the biggest one, is a quarter. I want you to pick it up and I want you to hold your quarter in your hand. And here's how a quarter is worth 25. And here's how our chant goes for quarter. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I am told. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I am told. All right, I want you to go through and I want you to chant with me. You're going to follow Ms. Strohmeyer's mouse, and you are going to do it for each coin. Ready, set, go. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents, I know that. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I am told. Wow, that's a big poem, but I think that is really going to help us remember our coins. A penny's worth 1, a nickel's worth 5, a dime's worth 10, and a quarter is worth 25. So you see Ms. Strohmeyer's coins. I have my penny. I'm going to write penny here for you. I have my nickel. I have my dime. And last, I have my quarter. As you can see, I have them in order. I have them in order from the least, the one that's worth the least amount of money, to the one that's worth the biggest amount of money. So this is a penny. Remember, a penny is penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. And this is the word for penny. That is the word for penny. I'm sorry it keeps going out of focus. There we go. And then the next one we have is a nickel. Now the nickel and the quarter look a lot alike, but we're going to have to make sure we study these closely and pay attention to the difference. Okay? Remember, a nickel, thick and fat, worth 5 cents. I know that. A nickel, this one's a nickel and it is worth 5 cents. Make sure you have yours out here with me and you're looking at your penny and you're looking at your nickel. And then the dime is the smallest one. The dime is the smallest one. And with our dime, we know that it is worth 10 cents, and that's how you spell dime. Our dime is small and thin. Even though it's the smallest one, it is not worth the least amount of money. And then we have our quarter. Our quarter is our biggest coin, and it's also worth the most. Our quarter is worth 25 cents. So make sure that you have your coins out, and if your coins are out, you are ready to follow along really quickly with Annie and Moby. They're going to show us the coins and how much they are worth.
You found something? What is it? Cool, a penny. What are some different coins? A penny is worth 1 cent. A nickel is worth 5 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. A quarter is worth 25 cents.
So now that you kind of hopefully have an idea of what each coin is, what each coin is worth, remember you have your coins right in front of you. I want you to find your math packet, and we're going to work on 2 pages today, two of the activities. The first one that you are going to do is you're going to get all of your coins. You're going to get all of your coins and you're going to cut these coins out. You're not going to glue these coins. You are not going to glue these coins. You're going to find these 2 pages. You're going to cut all of these coins out and you're going to sort them. You're going to try to figure out if it's a quarter, if it's a dime, if it's a nickel, or if it's a penny. And you're going to put them under the column that they belong. You are not going to glue them. You are going to save all of your coins in a bag or in a cup at your house so that you can keep sorting these each day so you can be practicing. If you're not quite sure what kind of coin it is in your picture, if the picture is kind of hard to read, what you can do is you can get your penny and you can look at your penny. You can look at the front and the back because there's a front and a back of each coin, and you can try to match them to the picture. If you're not sure if it's a nickel or if it's a quarter, you can match the back to the ones that you have here. So make sure you're using your coins Mr. Meyer gave you to figure out if each is a nickel, if it's a penny, if it's a dime, or if it's a quarter. You're going to sort this, and you're going to sort this 2 times. When you are finished, you are not going to throw them away. You're not going to glue them. You're going to save all of these pieces so you can keep practice sorting every day. After you finish sorting all of your coins, you are then going to work on this page, which is coloring by the coin. So you're going to decide what kind of coin it is. And again, you might have to use your coins Mr. Meyer gave you. You might have to use all of these with your paper, but you are going to color them to see which one it matches. You're going to either color the coins red, or the candy red, orange, blue, or yellow. And if you don't have one of those colors at home, just make sure you go up here and you change the color that you're using. So today, friends, you're going to sort your coins and then you're going to color your coins. And I want you to continue practicing, naming each coin. Remember, this is a penny. The biggest one is a quarter. This one is a nickel. And our smallest one is called a dime. You are going to practice using all of those coins and sorting them today. When you finish those two activities, you are then going to get on Dreambox and you are going to work on Dreambox. Make sure for Dreambox you're completing lessons. You're not just playing games or wasting your time. The friend who has the most lessons on Dreambox this week finished is going to earn dojo points. So you have to make sure that you are working and you are staying engaged in Lexia. I hope you enjoy learning about coins today. I hope you have some real coins that you can use at home, and I hope you keep these coins safe because these coins need to come back to school. Have a great rest of your day, friends, and I will see you tomorrow for a little bit more math. Bye!